Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if you can only send messages to your contacts over on Telegram. So if you are getting this message, this error problem, where you're trying to message someone that is not in your contacts, then here's a quite easy way to actually fix this. So the reason why you're getting this is most likely because you are currently limited over on Telegram, meaning that you have most likely just surpassed one of the rules that Telegram gave you when you signed up. However, luckily there's a way to remove this. So what you want to do is you want to type in spam, just like this, and then you want to make sure to click on spam info bot, this one with a check mark. Then you can see right here that I've literally already had this issue a few times. However, what you simply want to do if you have never used this bot before is type in /start, just like this, and you can see good news, no limitations are currently applied to your account. You're free as a bird. What you right now can do is click on cool, thanks, and then you want to make sure to try again, because sometimes when you just can't send messages to non-contacts, by just doing this it will fix. However, if you can still not send messages to non-contacts, what you need to do is click on but I can't message non-contacts, just like this. Then you need to type in yes or no. So has your account been limited recently? And you will most likely say no. Then you will see right here, it is possible that you did too many similar actions at once, such as limits are temporary and will soon be removed automatically. What does this basically mean is that if you are trying to message like 50 to 100 people at the same time, you will simply get a limitation, and there's no way in order to fix this. So what you need to do is type in start again, and you want to make sure just triple check on how long your limitation will be. For example, right here I got this limitation and it took only about 2 days, and then the limitation will be gone. So most likely all you can do is simply just wait for Telegram to lift that limitation, and then you will be able to send messages to your contacts again. So I hope I gave some useful information in this video. If I did so, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.